To help Pennsylvania meet its diesel emissions reduction goals, the Wolf administration has developed new grant and rebate programs to improve air quality in Pennsylvania and drive transformation from older polluting diesel engines to clean technologies. Rail Management Services applied for and received a $1 million Driving PA Forward grant, which was used to replace 5 old diesel yard hostlers with 5 new orange EV vehicles, which you see behind us. These vehicles are producing desired results each and every day. The benefits are both environmental, which is through the lowering of greenhouse gas emissions, which results in better air quality in the Chambersburg area, and the benefits are economic in the form of reduced fuel costs for the operator.
While all the Driving PA Forward projects drive air quality improvements throughout the entire state, these improvements are especially beneficial to environmental justice areas and other designated priority areas in the Commonwealth. Rail Management Services project is a shining example of what the Driving PA Forward grants accomplish: cost-effective diesel emissions reductions, improved air quality, and the modernization of all modes of transportation towards innovative zero and low emissions technologies, such as these electric yard hostlers behind me.
Having 5 electric vehicles on site to move containers around the intermodal terminal is a wonderful opportunity. CSX recently became the first railroad in the U.S. to align with the Science Based Targets Initiative, setting a goal to reduce GHG emissions intensity by 37.3% by 2030. And as we move a ton of freight 533 miles on a single gallon of fuel on average, which is about 3 to 4 times more efficient than trucks on our road, and highlights the critical role trains play in the low carbon economy.
These trucks went into service back in 2021. We save about $15 an hour on fuel. The average diesel truck would burn about 2.25 gallons of fuel per hour, so we're saving there. On the batteries, we get about 10 hours of driving time out of it. To charge a battery takes about 6 hours. We typically drive these until they run out of charge, which is almost a whole shift. So we're very pleased with the outcome of these trucks and the efficiency. We will save about $55,000 per truck over 5 years on parts and labor.